Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing to Laravel 11 full course, and this part is a 41 custom task schedule user in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this available this database name, inside the schedule, inside this previous two video, inside this available week and week time, and click this user table, and this is a login table, admin, user and agent table. This is a multiple role, this single table. In this one field is a implementation. This is a one field is a available, this role field successfully available, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory. Inside this project is already open, this my Sublime text editor, the Sublime text editor. Let's this project directory inside this cmd open, command prompt open this PSP artisan serve and enter. Successfully working. This URL is a copy and paste this my browser. Please hit your browser. Successfully available this home page, admin login, and this credential is available. Copy this credential and paste here. Password is a 1234567889 and click this login. Let's new menu is a create. Inside this new menu is a create schedule menu, otherwise user schedule. Let's new menu is a create schedule. First of all, this sidebar open, resource view, admin, body and sidebar, and the same here copy and paste here, and this menu name is a send this schedule. The same copy, only schedule name is a set schedule, copy and paste, save file. Schedule is a set, this E and E, schedule set. Let's refresh this page. Inside this available schedule menu is available, and click this, and this admin schedule, this URL is available admin schedule. Let's copy and web.php open, inside this new create schedule, route get schedule, and this schedule start and end, start end, and this user time controller copy class and admin schedule, save file. Let's copy this name, user time controller, app http controller and user time controller open, and this inside this new function create public function and paste here, request $request dd $request and all, save file. Let's refresh this page. This is a null, this is a good, otherwise this echo and this s and die. Let's save file and this close this and refresh this page. Successfully s is available, good working. Let's return view inside this admin folder, already available admin folder. This admin folder, inside this new folder create schedule folder, inside this new one file create list file, this save. Let's copy this list file list file inside this. First of all, the schedule folder is a create list body inside this schedule folder. Schedule inside this list blade dot php successfully create. Hi, save file. Let's refresh this page. Hi is available. Good. Let's inside this list file is open. This any list file, this list file is open, and this is the same here, copy and paste here. Otherwise this is remove this my profile, copy my profile, copy and paste here. And this is a extra is a image is a not use, this remove image. This value is a not use, remove. This span is a remove, not use. Value remove. This remove, not use. This form tag as it is set. Good. This is a save file. Let's not use this, not use save file. Let's first of all this table is a right. Good way. This copy and this file is a create this blank and paste here. Please step by step writing this file. This table is a good. This is a remove, not use. This remove forest loop is a remove. Successfully remove this forest loop. Let's refresh this page. This is a good, and this is a this button is a not use. Let's remove this button is not use. Remove. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully remove. Schedule copy. Schedule. Save file. Schedule time is a remove. Time is a remove. Schedule time is a remove. Successfully set. Save file and refresh this page. Let's inside this schedule, inside this implement date. This first date is a start date and end date selected. This is a none. Let's step by step this inside this start and end date is a selected. First of all, this data is a get, week data is a implementation. This is a month wise is a week table is a already create previous two video. Please check this is a previous two video. This week inside this available this model. This is a model inside this available week model, and this model is already implement inside this already implementation. Good. Let's inside this get data, paste here get, and this $data pass $data is equal to the same here, copy and paste here, and this is a data pass. This is a week data is a get. Let's forest loop is a implement. This table is already create. Please writing this table step by step, writing this table. Same here, copy create. Let's forest loop is a implement inside this tree body forest and this paste here dollar is dollar value, otherwise row and forest forest. Save file. This tr and this is inside this. Let's copy. This is a copy. This class is a first of all this dark class is a paste here, and this tr is a set. Let's td inside this is a name is available. This database name is empty $row save file, and this is a $row is available. This name copy name is week table inside this copy name save file, and this is a less dynamic set $row name. Save file. Successfully shared. This is a week name. Week name. Second is a open and close. Open, close. Last is a start time. Start time. Same here, copy end time. End time. Let's do inside the same here, copy and paste, and this paste. Same copy, paste. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is available. Let's id is remove, not use this id, remove. Save file. Only this name is successfully get. Let's refresh this page. This is successfully, this all date is get. This is week is get. Successfully set. Let's inside this button is scroll down is set. Let's button scroll down is set. Let's inside this scroll down button is a single button, means switch. Label is a switch. Let's check this label switch is available, otherwise not available. So let's create step by step. Input type is available, checkbox. Name is set, this week name, and this class is not available class. This is not available class as it is. id is not available, and checkbox is checked. Let's save file and refresh this page. This is not a on off button. Let's check box is not available, switch button. This inside this my open this HTML form, open inside this available, this my file, backend main, and this dashboard. This HTML is available inside. Let's switch, check this switch. Let's switch says icon. Let's switch, check this switch, not available inside this switch, not available calendar inside, not available inside this available button. This is a button, on off button. This is all button is available. First is this is second is alert, not available. This click this, not available. Card, not available. Closers, not available. Sconce pen. Drop down list, media, model, navbar, paginate, and this is why not available. Let's stop video. Switch is not available. This HTML template. This HTML template inside this switch is not available, as it is working fine. This is the input box is good. Let's refresh this page. Successfully, as it is good. This is open, close. This click this open, and this is unclick this close. This successfully good. This is let's start time is set. This is inside this no field this td inside this start time is set. Let's select from, select this, otherwise this implement 4s. First of all this save file, and inside this available new table. Table means available. This table name is this table name. This please check this previous video. Week time is available this table. Let's this table is the same is available inside this model. model is a victim if available. Let's copy this name and include inside this already included. Let's get data, $data is equal to paste here and get save file. Let's inside this name is a set victime. Victime is a variable set victime now successfully set. Let's copy this name inside this new forest loop is a start. First of all, this new forest loop is a implementation. Let's forest paste here and this paste. This is a variable is a copy, same here paste is $time row 1 and end and forest. Save file. Option first of all, this successfully set. Good working. Let's save file and refresh this page. Let's refresh this page. Successfully inside this available. Good working. This is a not a show. Inside this is a hide. Let's option drop down inside this implementation show. This is a show $row now name. Now name save file and this is a name is available. This name is available. Let's save file. Same here successfully all show. This is a Tuesday is available all this time. This Wednesday is all successfully is set. Good working. Let's step by step implement. This is a end time. Same here copy and paste here. Only this is a only variable name is a sense. Let's inside this implement forest $week now is $time now and this is a forest end forest paste here. Option and paste here. This is a name. $name is a name. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Inside this refresh, same name is available and this is a successfully set. This is a name. This unique button is implement. Inside this drop down is selected. This is a all date wise is selected. This is a table is select. This is a name is selected. Good. Please writing this file. Please writing this step by step. This file is successfully set. This is a model. This is a coding structure. Good working. Any doubt, so please contact. This part is a one and this third part is available. This video schedule is 3 part is available. This first part is successfully set. Any doubt, so please contact this channel, official website, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype available. And this is a error solution official website. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this is available Facebook, Instagram, GitHub. Thank you.